Hi YouTube, this is Katie with Rosebud's Travels, and it's kind of a rainy day here in Houston, Wednesday, and we're getting packed to go on a trip. And there's been a lot of people who ask how I pack the closet, so that's what we're going to show you today. Okay? Alright. What you see in the closet right now is a first aid kit, first aid supplies, a few towels on the top shelf, and just a few things that I have on the very back shelves. There's a hammock back there, one of those ones that goes in a pack, and a pair of shoes and rain gear. And then down near the bottom, there is some stuff just for outdoor use, a little thing to wipe your feet on, and our little tiny heater, and the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
And over here on this side, I've got a few cleaning items, a duster, and my mop that I use for the floor is over there as well. All right, so the first thing that goes in is this box of cleaning supplies and like dish towels, just kind of random stuff for cleaning with. Also the accessories for the vacuum cleaner. And it fits right on the bottom. If you have one of our closets, it would sit on top of the hatch. Okay. Then, these are packing cubes, just like you would use in a suitcase, and I use them on the shelves. And these are my packing cubes, so they go on the top shelves. Let's see. So I've got 4 packing cubes. Actually, this trip I've got 5 packing cubes. But they just fit in there kind of snugly. And this is pants in this packing cube. Actually, I've got something to put back here on a very back shelf. I've got my jacket. Where we're going is cold, or might be cold, and just in case, I've got a compressible jacket. So I get the top 2 shelves, Lewis gets the bottom 2 shelves. That's how we worked it out. Everybody has to kind of struggle with who gets what. That's the way we worked it out. So, all my clothes are in there now. I don't have Lewis's clothes, but you can see how it works. I've got a couple of hooks on the door, an umbrella, and then in these days of COVID, I've got masks hanging there in case we need them. And then I have hanging things. I have a couple of jackets, fishing shirts, and sweaters. And you can see they easily fit in the space. And I have one more thing that I'm going to put in here. It's a little folding table, but there's room for it just to slide right in here next to the clothes.
Yep.
So there you have it. That's how I pack the closet.
Okay, thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.